Hey guys, welcome back. Luke's Amateur Hour. Doing a shed step 4. Got all the sheeting up. Got my tarp on my roof. I don't have shingles on yet. I'm going to do, let me see if I can do this without making too much of a shake. I'm going to do an overhang here, come out about a foot maybe, so that you can get a little cover from the door and everything here. I got my vent installed. My windows are up and in and fine. Used an old door from the house. They had doors everywhere in our house. We had extras, so just use that. It's not an exterior door. We'll deal with that later, but yeah, it's kind of rough, but it works. And you can see the girls have been having at it with their chalk, which, hey, do what you got to do. I got to do some siding all the way around. My uncle's giving me some siding, and I got shingles and everything I got to put up. But that's it. It's working out pretty well so far. Stage 4. I think maybe one more video on everything once it's all up, and then a video on lessons learned and stuff, because I did learn a lot, so I'd like to share that. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. This one took me a really long time. Have a good one, guys.